night gets cold, let's turn up the heat, yeah. With every beat we feel, the night could be surreal. Could be surreal. When the beat drops down low, let it pull you in real close. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy? And when the lights get low, let the shadows steal the show. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy? I'm ready for the thrill, yeah. Don't hold me back, it's real, babe. You feel the soul when you shine through the shadows. I'm ready for the thrill.
The subscribe button. Today it's a Monday. Happy Monday. Siya kwenza grocery top up. I think there's one banana, guys. Masambini. Let me show you my outfit of the day.
I know you've heard it all before, but you are the love of my life.
Some time thinking about the day that we met. I love to see you smile. Can't take my eyes off your silhouette. So today I have planned it out so carefully. I know the things that you like.
Aizunuka bezio. Yo.
Hayi nawulunga apha mase.
Akuluke ke yo.
Off you, I'll make it like every day is your birthday. I want to spend my life with you, and now it's time to celebrate, 'cause we're running out of time. So cover your eyes, 'cause I have a surprise for you. Like half. Yeah, give away. I'll bring the half. Because the half here will be
tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again, heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that for this magic. But living in the moment, feeling ecstatic. And if the night gets cold, let's turn up the heat, yeah. With every beat we feel, the night could be surreal. Could be surreal. When the beat drops down low, let it pull you in real close. Are you down for it? Tell me, are you down for it, boy?
Molweni bandase, molweni. If uyafika apha kule channel omtsha, igama lam ndingisakhe. Welcome. Hope guys ni-enjoyile ke i-vlog ndiyayivala apha. Ibingekho nde wethu, ibi-short. Ndiyonqena kungabikho nto endiyikhuphayo for this week. Yeah. Andibulela kwi-new subscribers ndithi I hope nizokonwaba ukuba lapha kweli khaya. If wena subscribe, please hit the subscribe button to become part of the family, so that uzobona uba besikade sisenza ntoni apha kule channel. And then if uye wayithanda, please stay. Apha siyenza i-vlogs, uXhosa Makoti vlogs, i-daily lifestyle. Ndiyenza in a form of vlogs. Ndiyavloga nje in my life, everything wethu. Yonke into ndiyayenza apha kule channel. Ndiyabulela ke, ndiyayivala ke. See you on the next video. Love you. Bye.